iEskom nohulumeni banikezwe izinsuku ezisikhombisa zokuthi beze nohlelo lokuguqula inkampani ephehla ugesi kuleli. Umholi we-UDM uJenene uBantu Olumisa, umholi weBusa uMusi Maimane kanye nonobhala jikelele weNUMSA uIvan Jim bebenesithangami sabeyindaba namhlanje eSentin ukuzokhuluma ngenqubekela phambili yeqala balivulile njengoba befuna uhulumeni kanye neEskom bayiphendulele enkantolo.
We are thankful that President is beginning to feel the pinch. It is going to help if he tells those people in court not to oppose this demand we are putting, that the 18% by NESA must not be affected. So we're making things easy for him. So it is also going to test whether the leadership of ESCOM and NESA are really, they do care about the situation.
Renewable IPPs cannot solve this crisis of rolling blackouts. What we need is to focus on energy availability factor, where we must drive quality maintenance of power stations. And I think we have been harping the point.
We need transparency up front and we need accountability. In which universe can any particular government cost an economy to the extent that it is, and nobody, not a single person, is held accountable? This is not a natural disaster. It's a human disaster. And if that is so, who are the humans responsible for it?